Welcome to the attic. Today's episode not going to be Will It Fix. I have a record, the Eagles Hotel California. It has some notches, it's skipping a little. I think it is dust. I cannot remove it with my carbon brush. So this is going to be a follow-up for an earlier episode of using wood glue to clean the record. So come join me. To make things a little easier for me, I remove this top cover. And also the glue will not harden fast if the top cover is on. A piece of paper. I put it like that, and you're going to see why. There we go. And add on a decent amount of glue. Rather use more than less. Because I got a question from one of my subscribers if I could do another episode of this glue cleaning process. Because he was told that he had some problems with leftovers at the record. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use an old credit card. I'm going to try to make this as even as possible. There we go. And what for this paper? I'm going to see. Like that. Then I have something to lift from. So then we put it away for a day or two. One day. It took one day. The glue is hardened. So what you do here is the reason for this piece of paper. Like this. As you see, I've been using a decent amount of glue, and everything comes up easy. Like that. And just aware, this record now is extremely static. So I'm using my carbon brush. It's not connected to any power by now. Like that. And as you can see, the surface really looks great now. It was not looking like that before this treatment. Now I'm going to take it for a spin and check if these skips still are there, but I think I got rid of them. And obviously, for some reason, you cannot listen together with me.
Before I did the sound test, I decided to check the record under a microscope I have. I compare it to another record I have, which was a good quality, and not much dust, never been treated with glue. And as you see, the left one is the glue treated and the right one is not ever treated with glue. As you can see, there's no glue residues left on the one on the left.
That worked perfectly. Those skipping of tracks and all this noise on the record was gone. Of course it was a little left, but that is a physical damage in the record. But else, dust, everything gone. So it works. Just use enough glue. Don't save the glue. It does not work like that. So use a decent amount of glue, let it harden and pull it out. It works perfectly. So what I'm going to do the next page as well. So as for this episode, it's very close to its end. And we all know what we have to do. I have to thank you all for watching and for your support. And you can click those buttons down there, this subscribe button. Just click like and subscribe. I appreciate it very much. So until next time, bye.